Hey guys, it's Katie. Thanks for stopping by my channel and welcome back to Cookie Week. I'm posting a new cookie recipe video every day this week. Get you guys excited for holiday baking. Today I'm going to make Neapolitan cookies, and these are like the chocolate, strawberry, vanilla flavors, and they're all kind of mushed together in one cookie. So I saw a similar cookie to this where you take different doughs and mush them together and bake them as one cookie with a chocolate and a peanut butter cookie. And that intrigued me, but I really liked the look of the Neapolitan cookie. It also uses an ingredient that I've wanted to use in baking in a while, which is freeze-dried strawberries. I don't have a freeze dryer, so I purchased these freeze-dried strawberries, and we're going to grind this up into a powder and use that to make the strawberry flavor in the strawberry portion. So that's something I've wanted to try for a while, either adding it to frosting or cake batter or cookie dough, some freeze-dried strawberries. So we're going to try that today. So I'm going to get you pointed down to the counter and we'll get started. All right, I'm going to start by making the strawberry powder. And these are very light, so I only need 8 grams, which apparently is a half a cup. Ooh, they look so good. Ooh. That's 8 grams, but it does not look like half a cup. Let's just see. Maybe my eyeballs are deceiving me. I guess, okay. I guess if they're just like lightly in here, then it is a half a cup. All right, and I'm using my dry container from my Vitamix. You could just use a food processor. I'm just gonna pulse it because I have a feeling it's not gonna take much. Just gonna let that settle for a minute. Let's see if I can recover 8 grams of powder. So I have a feeling this is going to be, yeah, all everywhere. I guess it would make sense to like make a bunch of this, and then you could use it in lots of recipes, and then there wouldn't be as much lost. All right, so that's the powder. I ended up getting 6 grams back, so it's really stuck on there with static electricity or something. I guess that'll be enough. Okay, so now I'm going to measure and sift the dry ingredients first. Flour and baking soda. And some salt. Alright, so next in the stand mixer, we will cream the butter and the sugar. I am using vegan margarine. Feel free to use whatever works well for your family. And then white sugar. Okay, so we'll let that cream. Let's do a little scrape down. And then I'm gonna add egg and egg yolk. So I'll incorporate the egg, and then I'll do the egg yolk. Egg yolk. Next I'm going to add vanilla. Get that incorporated. And then we're going to add the dry ingredients, which I have right here. And get those mixed in slowly. Scrape down, make sure everything is mixed well. Okay, so now the task is to divide this into 3 portions. I'm trying to get it all together here, and then I'm gonna, I guess just eyeball it into portions. So one portion just stays vanilla. The portion that's still in the mixer, I'm gonna add strawberry powder to, and the recipe also says that it makes it only very slightly pink, and so to get the nice bright pink, we need to add food coloring. I'm gonna see what it looks like, and then we'll add food coloring. I'm not food coloring adverse, but just curious what it would look like without. Again, I'm working hard to get every bit of that powder out. So valuable. Go ahead and just put that in. That's the color. It's not terribly under pink in my opinion. I wonder how much it changes when it bakes. I also wonder what it would look like if there were a few larger chunks of the strawberry. I don't know the texture of freeze-dried and then kind of reconstituted in the dough and then baked, and then I don't know. I might do a little experimentation. So let's see here. So I'm going to take one small amount that doesn't have food coloring added to it. See how that would look. And then I'm going to add food coloring to the rest of this, and then I'm going to put some chunks of the freeze-dried strawberry in. Got some food coloring. The heck? Alright, so this is the dough with just the strawberries. This is with the food coloring added. This is with the food coloring added, and also chunks of strawberries. So that's my little experiment. And then it says to wipe out the bowl, and we're gonna basically do the same thing to make the chocolate. So I like this recipe because it doesn't, you don't have to make 3 different doughs. You just basically make one dough and then make some variations of it. So I'm trying to get as much pink strawberry dough out of here as I can, and then we'll do the chocolate version. Okay, so we'll get the second amount of dough in here, and we're gonna mix in some cocoa powder. It says to get the dark cocoa powder. I just have regular, so it'll just have to be good enough. Hopefully this mixes in. I know sometimes cocoa powder can be difficult to mix in. Alright. It does take a little bit of beating, but the stand mixer makes short work of it. Hopefully it's not over mixing the dough. Alright, so we have our 3 doughs here, and I'm gonna combine them, I guess, and I don't know if it would make more sense to make all the balls and then combine them, or I don't know. I don't know if I need to roll them in balls and then put the balls together, or just mush it together like that. That's kind of cute. I wonder if it should be like more smooshy than that, like more swirly. Like that more? I don't know. Okay. That's kind of cute, right? You know, you want them all a little different. But if you just pinch it and just kind of push it into thirds, then you get that kind of even, I don't know what I'm doing. Like big chunks of color, or like all swirled together. Which do you prefer? Leave a comment down below. I'll do a little bit of both. And I'm gonna make some a little bigger too. When you have the 3 doughs, I imagine it would be easy for these to get out of hand in size by the time you get all 3 in. We'll make some a little larger. Let's do this one a little swirlier. Ooh, that's really pretty. I like that, I think. I don't know. I guess it's up to personal preference. It said just combine them while still retaining their separate colors. Cute, cute, cute. You could also do the 3 separate colors, but do smaller pieces like this, like that, and then like that, like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna bake these off. I'm gonna make the one with the chunks of strawberry. Now I need chocolate and vanilla. This is gonna be a big one. I guess I could have divided that strawberry into 2 cookies worth. Like that. And I'm just leaving these in balls. It says leave them in balls. I'm not flattening them. And then I'm gonna do the one that has no food coloring, just to see how that bakes up. Sometimes natural colors, this one I am gonna break in half. Sometimes natural colors are not as heat resistant. So that's what that one looks like. Oh, these are so cute. I love them. Okay, so here's what these cookies look like. I did a little experimentation, did a little twisty action, did a little, I don't know, twisty, swirly, circly action. I don't know, this probably will just puff up and you won't see the design so much, but I thought I'd try it. We got that. That's gonna go in the oven, and then the rest of the dough I'm just making balls so that I can freeze them, and then next time I wanna bake this, I can just take them out and it's already ready to go. I think these are supposed to be bigger because this recipe makes 20 cookies and I already have 20. I have quite a bit of dough left, so I guess we'll make some even bigger. So those are the ones that are going in the freezer, and I got like 44 altogether. So I guess these are supposed to be twice as big as they are, but this is about the size of a dough ball that I usually make, so I don't know. That's just what I got. Your mileage may vary. Okay, let's see what they look like. Ooh. Super cute. I like them all. This is the one that did not have the food coloring. But I like this one. I like this one. Just depends on how you want to do it and how much you want to mess with it. I really like the super swirly ones though. Okay, I'll let these cool and then we'll give them a taste. Okay, here we go. They're so cute. I love them so much. And they baked up really nice. Bottom, they're not very golden. I didn't want them to get too much golden color and sort of cover up the pretty colors. Smell really good. That was like a strawberry bite. And it totally has strawberry flavor. Get a chocolate bite. A little chocolate flavor. No, it's got a good chocolate flavor. I think I got a little strawberry in that bite too. And the vanilla, pretty good. And all together it's good too. These are so much fun to make. I love them. And they're so pretty. Look how pretty that would be. And you know, you could do, instead of Neapolitan colors and flavors, you could just do the regular vanilla cookie and then do like red and white and green. That would look really nice on a cookie platter. So this recipe is really good. And I'll put all the ingredient amounts in the description down below if you want to make them. If you do make them, I'd love to hear how they turn out for you. Leave me some comments. Let me know how you like them, or how you changed them up, or how they worked out for you. I'd love to hear all about it. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!